Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see Terraform, one of the feature called count. So you can use this feature for various purposes. But in this video, we are going to see the feature like called count. So which is going to be I'm using for the one of the resource AWS instance. So here I have added the argument count. So which is I given the value of 4. So it will be take like a hydration of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And here I given the tag which is like a count dot index. So which can be going to take like a web 0. The second instance will be web 1, web 2, web 3, web 4 like that. Let's see once I give Terraform plan what it will show. You can see here right now I'm getting total 4 resources to get created. So the all resources which going to be create which are all the instances like web 0, web 1, AWS instance, web 2, web 3 like that it will going to create. If I change the count value to 4 to 5, then it will change the count of the instance value. Let's see. Now there are four. Before it was 4. Now it's adding the 5 resources, which means the naming will be like a web 0, web 1, web 2, 3 and 4 like that. But it is going to create total 5 instances. So like that you can increase the resource values using the count. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.